Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my new YouTube channel Aksharabhyasam. Please give one like, share and subscribe. Today we are going to discuss about herbal drug interactions. So basically, what are the herbal drugs? Herbal drugs are mixture of more than one active ingredients which are prepared from the plants. While the pharmaceutical medicines which are also prepared from the plants, but these are single derivative which are separated from the plant source. When we apply or when we take both herbal drugs and pharmaceutical drugs together, they may show some interactions in our body and which will alters our kinetic and dynamic actions. And while we are taking the herbal supplements, they may increase or decrease the action of our drugs which we are taking. And an overview of world people, 5 to 20% are using these herbal medicine or drugs because of they are naturally available and consideration of safe to use and readily available over the counter. But what are the evidence for the interactions? People ask for mostly what is the evidence. So there are more evidence in the animal studies, control trials, single case reports and multiple cases. After the evidence, we need reasons for herb drug interactions. Mainly three reasons for these herb drug interactions, like clinical lack of adequate knowledge of combinations, and after that herbal supplements from the plant sources are still having the active ingredients should be still be potent, and no advancement in the researches. These all causes the herb drug interactions. And after that, if we see some of our daily routine herbal medicines which are prepared from these constituents like ginger and all, we will see some of them like ginger is its scientific name is Gingiber officinale, and it contains gingiberine constituents. Basis of concern, like basis of concern, it means like uses. Normally it will be useful in normal blood circulation while we are taking, and as a remedy for motion sickness and improves absorption in GIT, and it's used to treat the colon cancer and ovarian cancer. But while we are going into the herb drug interactions, it will be decrease the effect of antacids. If you are taking an antacid while taking with these herb medicine of ginger, it will decreases the effect of antacids, and it will react or interact with the calcium channel blockers. While next, green tea. Its scientific name is Camellia sinensis. It has a strong oxidizing agents, flavonoids, epigallocatechins. Green tea is normally used for various bioactive compounds present in green tea, which will improve the health and lower the risk of obesity. The L-theanine amino acid which can present in green tea will improve brain function and makes you smart. While we are going with a herb drug interaction of green tea, large amounts may increase the side effects of theophylline. Green tea and aspirin should not be mixed because those both can prevent the platelet formation, and it also decreases the effect of coronary vasodilatory drugs. Going to next herbal medicine, turmeric. Its scientific name is Curcuma longa. Turmeric constituents are curcumins. Curcumins of turmeric extract can cure the brain tumors and as well as some types of retinitis pigmentosa of eyes. Normally, it also acts as an anti-inflammatory, natural painkiller and antiseptic, as we all know. While dealing with the herbal drug interactions of turmeric, turmeric increases the activity of antacids while taking with the antacids, and it's also actively participate in the decrease of blood glucose level. So when taking with the anti-diabetic drugs, that causes this risk of low blood glucose levels and increases the blood thinning effects of warfarin. Moving to next herbal medicine, black pepper. Black pepper, its scientific name is Piper nigrum. Basically, black pepper is increases the antibiotic and antibacterial property in our body and increases the free radical killing action that stops the cancerous activities in our body. So black pepper also, like spice in our foods, has antidepressant activity. While we are dealing with these herbal medicine interactions, black and white pepper decrease the liver breaks down some medications like levastatin, ketoconazole and intraconazoles. Next herbal medicine is cinnamon. Its scientific name is Cinnamomum cassia, and there are mostly 3 to 4 types of cinnamon are there. Basically, cinnamon is used as an antimicrobial agent, mood enhancer, and cures and prevents the yeast infections. cinnamon fights with the E. coli in unpasteurized juices. While we are dealing with herbal drug interactions of cinnamon, while taking cinnamon bark along with the diabetes medications might cause your blood sugar level to low levels. Like while we are taking with glimepiride and insulin, cinnamon is decreases the, as well as anti-diabetic drugs also decreases the blood glucose levels or blood sugar levels to a low levels. So this is a serious situation and increase in the risk of phototoxicity with tetracyclines. Medications that can harm the liver interacts with the cinnamon oil. Herbal medicine is aloe vera. Its scientific name is Aloe barbadensis. Basically, aloe vera juices have alkaline properties, so it might maintain the pH of hair and scalp, and used for many bowel problems as a laxative. And it's also used to treat anti-inflammatory actions. And aloe vera gel is highly beneficial for treating the sunburns like acne, pimples. These all we generally use it in our daily life routine also. And it's have the antihistamine property, can reduce the problem of sinus and chest pain. While we are going to deal with these herb drug interactions involved in aloe vera, aloe itself lowers the blood glucose levels, so it should not be taken with anti-diabetic drugs like glyburide. It enhances the ability of hydrocortisone to reduce the swelling. While we are taking with the digoxin and diuretics, its combinations are with aloe gel lead to dangerously low levels of potassium, of important mineral in our body. Next herbal medicine is neem tree. We generally call this as vepachettu. Its scientific name is Azadi recta indica. Basically, neem tree has more importance in our medicine, and it will have each and every part of the neem tree is used in medicine maximum. And neem leaf extract is used to treat dental plaques, and neem bark will treat the peptic ulcers. Like this, each and every part of neem tree have some medicinal property and cures the psoriasis, used as an insect repellent. But when we are going to deal with these herb drug interactions involved in neem tree, for longer periods of time, it is possibly unsafe and might have the kidney and liver dysfunctions and reduced ability to have the children. Neem tree generally it will reduces the blood sugar level, but while we are taking with anti-diabetic drugs like glimepiride and glyburide, it will also lower the blood sugar levels. Next herbal medicine is tulsi. Its scientific name is Ocimum teniflorum. Basically, tulsi is used as a nerve tonic and it will sharpens the memory. While we are taking the tulsi leaves juice with honey, it will cure the kidney stones by expelling them in the urinary tract and reduces the blood cholesterol levels in heart. It will while we are going to deal with the herb drug interactions of tulsi, it will increases the blood clotting time and increases the drowsiness of phenobarbital while we are taking with tulsi. Generally, people don't know about like these all combinations of herb drug interactions, so healthcare professional should advise and monitor and report the issues of these herb drug interactions to further communication. And finally, the conclusion: the healthcare professionals have to play an important role in giving advisory knowledge on monitoring these concurrent use of herbal and conventional medicines, to collect the data for suspected herb drug interactions. Then only we will get the data and we will go further researches. Like, so we need to bring into the limelight about these herb drug interactions. So please report your herb drug interactions to further our like our doctors or healthcare professionals. Thank you. Please, I referred these all books, and please check the website herb drug interactions. To know more about these herb drug interaction, please check these websites, and thank you for your watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.